In Malacanang, President Aquino ordered that immediate shelter assistance be extended to typhoon victims. According to Communications Secretary Sunny Coloma, the typhoon victims will also be provided cash for work to speed up the rebuilding of their homes. Again, here's Rocky Ignacio.
President Aquino ordered concerned agencies to immediately extend assistance to displaced families due to Typhoon Nona. Presidential Communications Secretary Sunny Coloma said that the President wants the government to prioritize giving typhoon victims relief assistance and temporary shelters.
There was a meeting among the Cabinet Secretary, DPWH Secretary, Chairperson of the Housing and Urban Development Coordinating Committee, Chito Cruz, Budget Secretary Butsabad, and Representative of Secretary Soliman. What was discussed was to implement the President's directive to give immediate relief to the victims of Typhoon Nona. Ang priority natin dito yung shelter. No? Marami-rami din yung nasira na kabahayan, both totally damaged and partially damaged. While validation is still going on, ang immediate concern natin dito ay mabigyan sila ng shelter. No? So yung emergency shelter, una muna bibigyan sila ng tarpaulins o mga tents, pero eventually they will be given GI sheets and construction materials para mapabilis yung pag-rebuild ng kanilang mga bahay.
President Aquino issued the directives after talking with governors and other local leaders in areas devastated by Nona.
Si Pangulo nakatanggap ng mga balita mula sa field, no, sa mga gobernador, congressmen. Kailangan lang i-validate lahat ito, no, para mabigyan ng effective response no, kung saan talagang lugar. No. Ang iniintay sa kasalukuyan yung ulat mula sa Mindoro Oriental, sa Mindoro Island, na huling tinamaan ng landfall. No. Kaya inaalam pa no, yung extent ng damage doon.
The President is also concerned on the immediate restoration of power in the affected areas. In northern Samar, it is estimated that 80% of all electric posts were knocked down by Nona. Meanwhile, the government has enough fund to help victims of Typhoon Nona. Coloma said the government has still 10 billion pesos for relief assistance.
According to Secretary Abad, we still have a balance of more than 4 billion in the calamity fund and savings of at least 6 billion pesos more that can be used for relief and rehabilitation purposes. And in the 2016 budget, which is expected to be approved soon, there is a provision of 19 billion in the calamity fund. Ang ginagamit ngayon ay yung mga quick response funds na mga kagawaran natin. No? Ino-augment kagad ng DBM para ma-release yung quick response funds, no? At makatulong kagad sa ating mga kababayan.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.